let's see the next example for no such driver exception. So copy this and let's create a new class. No such driver exception demo. Select the main method, click on finish. So here we are launching the Chrome browser and setting 10 seconds as implicit wait, and here the duration also we need to import from java.time. So launching the Chrome browser, setting the implicit wait, launching the Academy website in the browser, Chrome browser, and maximizing the window. So after this, we have to reproduce this no such driver exception now. So generally, since we are using the latest Selenium 4, right? Currently, I'm using the Selenium 4.27 version. If I open the pom.xml file, 4.27.0. This is the latest version I am using currently. So in Selenium 4 latest version, we don't need to set the Chrome driver exe file. So if you are using the older version of Selenium, we have to do. But currently, I don't need to do. But in case we are already always using the old version of Selenium, or in latest also, sometimes you want to use the driver.setProperty method. Si- uh, Sorry, system.setProperty method. Here what you will do, webdriver.chrome.driver, and you are passing the path of the Chrome driver exe file. So since we are using Windows machine, the Chrome driver exe file manually I'm trying to pass. So this is no longer required, but just for demonstrating this no such driver exception, I am saying like we are looking for the Chrome driver exe file, but that Chrome driver exe is not available. So I am passing like invalid path to Chrome driver.exe. So this Chrome driver.exe should be somewhere in the computer, and that exact actual path I need to specify here. But I am passing an invalid path intentionally, saying like this path will not be anyway available in the computer. So it will be throwing this no such driver exception. Also, in case in your path you are giving the correct path also, but in that path this Chrome driver exe file is not available in your computer, then also this no such driver exception will happen. In the Selenium 4, this step is optional, but in case you want to use also, it is totally okay. But the latest Chrome driver exe file you need to bring and put in your local, and that correct path you have to give, and the same Chrome browser should be installed in the machine. So the Chrome driver exe file and the Chrome browser version should be matching, then only like the automation will work. So this is taken care by Selenium Manager in the latest Selenium version. But in case you are using the Chrome driver exe file explicitly, you want to use a corresponding version to the Chrome browser, and maybe because of project reason you are using the system.set property. But your Chrome driver you have missed to put it in that location. Maybe in the project you are in the project explorer, some folder you have created somewhere here in the main resources or in the test resources folder, you have created the resources folder and placed the Chrome driver exe file. But that file is currently, let's assume that it is not available. Then what happens? You will be getting this problem. No such driver exception. So you see, no such driver exception will get thrown whenever that Chrome driver exe file is not available. Unable to obtain Chrome driver. Driver must exist in this path. So in case you are you want to put it a proper path also, let me take this src test resources path. Go to properties, and I'm copying this path, and I'm going to paste it here. Instead of invalid path, I will be putting this path and put // chrome driver.exe. Under resources, it is anyway not available, but for just for testing purpose, I'm just putting like chrome driver.exe, and let's save this file. And if I rerun it one more time, again the problem will happen. no such driver exception will be thrown because this Chrome driver exe file is not available in the computer at the specified path. So in latest version, this is optional. In latest Selenium version, so now you see it is working. So whenever you are setting the property, then this Chrome driver exe you have to specify explicitly. So for other browser, the other exe files you have to bring for the Windows, like Geeko driver is for Firefox, and MS Edge driver is for the Microsoft Edge browser. So in the latest version of Selenium, it's not required, but in case you are specifying, the driver should be available. Otherwise, this exception will happen. So browser driver exe is not available at a specified path in the system.set property.